Hey guys, Matt here. In this video, we're going to the holidays. It's Hawkeye. And we're shooting for some good cards. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so what do we have? We've got a box of the Marvel Hawkeye from the Disney Plus series here. This is the hobby box. Now, this is a 100 card base set. What are we looking for? We're looking for autographs as always, but just to give you a little bit of an update on these, 100 card base set, there are parallels as well in this set, just like all of the other ones. There's reds, blues, silver, gold, and purples. Reds are just one per pack, so we're really not worried about that. The numbered ones are going to be the blues at 199, silvers at 100, golds at 57, and purples at 10. There are some very cool autographs that I'd like to hit on this one. Some dual autos, some metal cards, some different looking ones. Just to give you an idea on a hobby break box like this, should be one numbered card, one, I believe it's an acetate card, and then one type of special card, which could be like an autograph or a metal card or something of that. The case hit averages, or there's going to be these adornment cards, some low parallel numbers, 2 autographs, I believe, in a case, and 2 metal card inserts in a case as well. So without any further ado, let's just crack this open and kind of see how we do as we go. So, as always, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. We try and open boxes, do some comics and other content. Right now, there's been so many Marvel sets coming out that I really have just been knocking out cards this year. Hopefully, we're going to have a couple more cool boxes before the end of the year, and we will open them up on the channel as well. So here we go. Hawkeye cards. 6 cards per pack. Let's just rip it and get going. This is going to be a lot like all the Eternals, Loki, and everything else from the show. Let's take a look at these. Your problem is branding. So, nice looking card. These are all 35-point averages. Let's show you the back. Number 24. So what we expect is to have one red one per pack. There's our red one that we're looking at. These are non-numbered. And then what do we have here? We have holiday season, and it's almost like a film cell. Let me move that out of the way so you can kind of see. Very, very cool type card. Let's look at that. HS 14 for the holiday season. We'll put that there. Then we've got our 2 base ones. All right, moving right along. We're going to tear through these. All right, base. Here's our red. Hitting the target. This is one of the inserts. HT14. We've got our base. And another base on this one. We're looking for those autographs. That's what we want. Nice Jeremy Renner and Haley Steinfeld autograph would be pretty cool. Base. Base. Our red one. Jack. We got another hitting the target. Base. All right. Come on. Got to get that dual autograph. Maybe we can get that paw print autograph of Lucky the Pizza Dog. I don't really know if that exists, but would be nice. All right. There's our red one. Another hitting the target. This is a red hitting the target, but it is still just a red parallel. Seinfeld. All right. Nothing too crazy yet. We should have an acetate card in here as well, one per box. There's our lucky. We got that red parallel. Oh, here we go. Trick shots. Take a look at that. Another insert, followed by this one, base, right? Yeah, these are all just base. Okay. Moving on along. Come on, we want to hit that. Hit that dual auto. Dual auto, come on. All right, running errands. There's Jack. There's our base. We got our hitting the target. Jack. And another base. Nothing too exciting on this one. Guys, I will tell you that I've seen some boxes of these selling for under $100 now. I think I paid 100. I did pay 100 for each of these. I got them from Dave & Adams. So you can get this as a fairly good price, but as you can see, you really got to hit something to make it worthwhile. Unless you like the series and the set, then you may want to spend the money. Oh, there we go. Lucky the Pizza Dog. That's a nice, cute one. And oh, this is great. So far, nothing big. Hoping that we got something in here that's going to make it worthwhile. Right. Here we go. Heck of a party. I can't see nothing. We got something in here. Here's Kate Bishop, and let's put that down. That's the base. This is a metal one. Trial by Combat. This is just a normal arrow. So this is a metal card, TBC number 17. So we hit a metal card. It comes a nice little protective penny sleeve on here. That probably is going to be our hit of the box. Maybe we'll get lucky and pull something, such as an auto, but the metal card that we got, Trial by Combat. Let's keep moving, see if there's anything else. Come on, there's our red. Here's a nice looking one here. What is this? All wrapped up. I think this is the behind the scenes. Yes. So the all wrapped up 3. This is all behind the scenes type ones. And then we got the other 2 bases. So we still got to hit a number card. I believe there's still an acetate. And maybe we'll get lucky and something else will get pulled on this one. You never know. All right, moving on along. Here we go. Base. Okay. Oh, here's another all wrapped up. Behind the scenes. We got lucky. And we're too exposed. All right, we're getting down to the meat and potatoes. Here we go. Base. There's our red. We hit another hitting the target. And you can see it's basically like the same capture on this one. the base, and another base. All right, guys. 4 packs left. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's our red. Hitting the target. And 2 bases. All right, we're really coming down to the end here. Here we go. Lucky in our red parallel. We've got this particular one, which looks like it's got to be a numbered, and it is. This is, you can see, numbered to 100, so this is 42. So we've got our numbered card out of 100. We've got another trick shots, and then we've got 2 more bases. Can there be anything else in this box that would do it? So, guys, let me know. Do you think this is worth $100? You know, for a shot at an auto? Or is this another Falcon and Winter Soldier type thing? Base. Base. There's our red. There's our trick shots. 2 bases. So I guess the season one, this is probably going to be our acetate one, considered as that. But last pack. Can we pull some magic on this one? Here we go. Time. Our red. We got our trick shots again. We got another one, another numbered trick shots out of 100. 61. So another numbered trick shots and 2 base to finish it off. So that is the box for Hawkeye. We got our holiday season film type cell. We've got 2 numbered cards out of 100. This one to 61 on trick shots. This one 42. The parallel. We've got our metal card. And then just inserts. Regular trick shots hitting the mark, our reds and our bases. So that's it for this one. Not super exciting, but nonetheless gives you an idea of what one box can look like. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Is it worth it? Are you buying it? You know, would you get another one? I'm interested to hear, guys. As always, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.